Good morning everyone. So in this video we have to discuss about one of the part of the speech, so that is adjective. So we have to just see that what it means that what is the definition or what definition tells, and thereafter we will discuss about that what are the different types or the kinds of the adjectives we have in English. So these are the two things which we will see. So first is definition and another is that kinds or types of it. Okay, now come to the definition, that what definition says. So in this you can see that definition is given that an adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun such as person, place, things or idea. So it means that nouns are of different types. So it can be proper noun also, it can be a common noun or the material noun. So whatever the kind of noun is there in the sentence, or if there is pronoun, so it can be first person, third person or any other pronoun which is there. So if something is given regarding that noun or the pronoun, means that if we are modifying, if we are just describing or telling or adding something to the noun or the pronoun, so those words are adjectives. So if any word which you see before the noun or the pronoun, if we put any word before the noun or the pronouns, so it says that it is describing that particular noun or the pronoun. So that we can describe so many things about the noun and the pronoun. So you can see in this that there are some of the things which are given. So that color is also there, size is also there, shape is also there, taste is there. So you can see that many things are described. There are some words which we use to describe them also. Sometimes you say that this black shirt is long. So in this you can see that I have used two adjectives in this. So one is black, another is long. But you have to see that why that long is coming in the last and that black is coming in the starting. So that we describe noun or the pronoun in the two ways, means that one is in the attributive way. So in attribute we just tell the quality, means that attributive adjective is used together, means it is used with the noun. But if you talk about that long, okay, so this black shirt is long. So in this you can see, okay, that long is also coming, so it is also describing that the shirt is also long, but that long is coming in the last. So if anything which is coming after the verb, so that is considered predicate. So that's why that long is a predicative adjective. So there are the two ways by which we can use the adjectives. One is in an attributive way and one is in the predictive way. So these are the two ways by which we can use the adjective. So there are some of the things which we see, like size. If I talk about the size, so it is a very huge mountain. So in this you can say that before the mountain I am using huge, so it is describing the mountain in this. So similarly you can take hundreds of, means millions of examples are there. So you have to just come to the types of it. Now see the different types of adjectives. So in this you can see that adjective is given in the central part. So that central part, so you can say that I have used central, so it is also an adjective. So that it is surrounded by the different circles, so it means they are part of this adjectives or they have some relation with the adjectives. So it means that it shows that what are the different parts or the kinds of the adjectives. So you can see first that it's a proper adjective. So proper adjective means that if any word which is made from the proper noun, so it is made adjective from the noun, but the noun is proper. So like you can say that India, so if we are making any adjective from India, so that will be Indian, है ना? So if I say that Indian people are very honest, so in this you can see that I have used Indian before the people, so that is adjective. So it is attributive adjective because it is telling about the people. So which people are these? So these are the Indian people. So honest is also coming in the last, so it is the predicative adjective. You can take one more example, like Chinese foods are very tasty. So that I am using that Chinese, so it is made from the China, so that it is a proper adjective. So now you have to come to the next, that is the possessive adjective. So possessive adjective means which shows the possession or the relation or something which belongs to noun or the pronoun. So if anything belongs to the noun or the pronoun, so that shows that it is the possessive adjective. So there are many words which are possessive adjective, like her, his, your, my. So that these are the some pronouns, but that these are used before the that noun or the pronoun, so then these will be considered the possessive adjective. Like if I say that his house is very big, so in this you can say that I have used his, so it is showing the possession. So that house belongs to a one particular person, means the third person, so that's why I'm using his house is very big. So in this, that I'm describing the house and I'm just showing the possession, that this house belongs to that person, and I'm using one more adjective also, that is big. So in this way that you can see that I have used adjectives in two ways. So possessive adjectives always used with a noun. Now come to the distributive adjectives. So in distributive adjectives, we use some words like each, either, neither, nor. Okay. So either or is used, neither nor is used. So in this, that what we are doing, we are just giving a distribution, or we are just specifying a one person, or that which is specified for a one particular thing. If I say that either Ram or Sham can participate in this competition, so in this just I am distributing something. Now come to the interrogative adjectives. So in interrogative adjectives we put up the questions, but for putting up the question we use some words like what, which, whose. If these words are used with a noun, so means that they cannot be used alone. If these are used with the noun, then it shows that is interrogative adjectives, because we all know if any word which is used before a noun, so then it is adjective. So that's why that like whose pen is this. So in this you can say that I am using whose, but I am using it with the pen, so it shows that it is a interrogative adjective. Next come to the demonstrative adjective. So the demonstrative means that we are showing something, we are demonstration. ठीक है, there is a demonstration which we are doing. So demonstration में आप देखते हैं that we use some words so that we can specify that this is the thing which we are showing. So like this, that, these and those, these are the four words which we use in the demonstrative adjectives. We have to come to the adjectives of quantity. So in adjectives of quantity, that we say something about the amount, that if any amount is existed in the sentence, means that there are some nouns which cannot be counted in numbers, so we use some words for them, means they are uncountable in nature. So if anything which is uncountable, which cannot be counted in numbers, so we use some words for them. So these words are like enough, much, little. So these are some words which we put before the noun, so it specify that there is a one specific quantity. It means that it is not exact quantity, but we are just showing that it is one amount which, or that somehow that it is related to this. Next you have to come to the adjectives of quality. So quality means that we are just telling about the things, that how it is. So we are just telling about the condition of anything, that yeah, about the taste also, about the color also, about the size also. So it means that we are talking about the quality of anything. So if I say that that boy is smart, so in this, that I am just telling about the boy, that how he is, so he is smart. So in this way that you can see that there are the different kinds which I have discussed. So if you have any kind of confusion, so you can just comment.